I'm tired. I'm gonna get a snack or something. What? I did. What in the 2025? No, hold on. Ah!
San Francisco, San Joaquin, and Moda 2025 until 4 p.m. These creatures are roaming around where they went to the real universe. They are both harmless and extremely nice. Please do not lock all your doors and windows. Stay on more updates on this serious situation that is going on right now.
Oh. I'm just gonna turn off my TV. Okay. Meanwhile, I'm gonna just,
Hello everyone, I am not bad anymore. Kaden and I am saving the world, and I am not mean anymore. By the way, Brombus is now the most nicest creature in the United States.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a winter storm warning for McHenry County, Cook County, and King County. A strange creature on Chicago made a winter storm warning. Please remain calm. Stay tuned for more updates.
Jackie Gleason.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado for the following counties or areas. Also, it has been reported that time is going to the past. Right now it is 2011. Many people have died before turning younger. Please seek underground shelter immediately. The creature that made a winter storm warning from Chicago is named Evil Dude Kaden, Kaden's evil brother, and we have good news about the Brombus. He is not mean anymore. He is now nice from now, but right now, see underground shelter immediately.
Connection. Monday at 9 a.m., Dr. Anthony Fauci, the nation's leading infectious disease doctor.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, at 6:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is sunny, not that cool. Tomorrow we will have snow, at 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, at Monday.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Grand Rapids Police Department of Michigan. A evil creature from Indianapolis and Chicago has been reported, even for California. If they come to Michigan, please seek shelter immediately. Please do not go outside for any reason. If you go outside, you will be arrested and questioned. Stay tuned for more updates on this situation.
The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for the coastal areas in Hawaii. Kaden's evil brother made a 5-foot-tall tsunami. Brombus and Kaden are trying and figured out what to do get rid of that tsunami. He was going to bring his favorite characters to rescue the United States in Hawaii. That include Bill Cipher, Pigeon, Doodle Bob, and Tom and Jerry. Go to higher ground now.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Kaden's evil brother has sent 10 nukes at the United States of America. Residents of the United States should seek shelter immediately. The President of the United States will kindly deliver a message of the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio, at 6:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today is sunny, not that cool. Tomorrow we will have snow, at 2:35 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At Monday, we will have 100% chance of rain, where all clear. I repeat, all clear. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States and Canadian government. This is an all clear message. The asteroid has been destroyed by a nuclear missile. A cat and a mouse set a nuclear missile to destroy the asteroid. Their names are Tom and Jerry. Your government thanks you for your cooperation. Over 1 million people died. You could now exit your shelters. We can now resume to regular programming.